hella holding on to him. Juju's second haircut. You're fucking him up. You should have put a higher still. Oh, baby. Déjate, baby. Make sure you get good around his ears. Oh, Julian, he behaved so well. I bet you he'll be cool if we take him to the barbershop. Oh, hey, baby. For real, kind of look. Some spots look hairier. Why you do that though? Hella unexpected. He just said, I'm gonna cut his shit. In the back of his ears. Watch out with my baby's ear. Doo-doo. It looks better than the first time you cut him. Oh, I should have got it like this from the first time. Leave that hair right there. I want to pick it up. Baby! Julian! Say bye to the camera. Say bye. No, don't do him no lineup. Okay.